Short sale agent and default advocate Mike Wrigley discusses why short sales fail. Short sale agent, default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale specialist Mike Wrigley here, bringing you the latest short sale information. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about why short sales fail. While the number of short sales has surged in recent years, closing on such transactions still poses plenty of challenges, believe me. Now, there are a number of reasons why short sales fail, including the property was priced too far under fair market value, and truly the offer was dead on arrival. We know from experience that there is a number below fair market value that the investor will accept before it makes more financial sense to foreclose. If your property is priced below that level, you're done before you even begin, so why start? Another reason is the lender approves the short sale but doesn't allow enough time for the escrow to close before the property is sold at auction. It's a tough way, but we've had that happen. We were able to get the auction extended, but it does happen. Another reason is you get a bad appraisal or BPO, causing the investor to believe that the short sale property is worth more than it really is. Fighting a bad value is difficult and time consuming. Many times you're better off closing the file and waiting till the appraisal expires and hope that the next one is more realistic. Now, the short sale gets approved, but the property fails the inspection, or the loan falls apart, or there's not enough time to get a new buyer before the foreclosure sale date. Even after the short sale is approved, you still have to close the escrow, and there are no guarantees, even on cash offers. And my all-time favorite is ego. Ego is the one deal killer that is tough to get around. As a short sale specialist, we have to remember that no matter how arrogant or uninformed or ignorant the negotiator is, we have to work with them for fear of the file getting closed or lost and losing the short sale to foreclosure. Well, we don't let anyone kill a good deal. More than once we've been on the receiving end of a negotiator retaliating against us for escalating the file over their head. Why did we escalate? Because they didn't do their job. Okay, go back to the previous reasons. Anyway, those are the reasons typical why a short sale fails. Is a short sale right for you? Give me a call. Let's talk about your situation. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for a free, no obligation consultation, or just for the latest short sale information. Call me today. Sleep better tonight. You'll be glad you did. I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us.